I'm Tiffany, a member of the Bright MLS Training Team, and today I'd like to go over some tips and tricks for stellar listing photos. Because after all, the listing photos are the first impression for your listing, and we want to make sure that it's easy for you to really shine. We've recently made some system updates and improvements on the photo upload process. Those include auto-saving on two key components. So while you're uploading your photos, they automatically save, as well as your captions as soon as you're entering them. The auto-save notification can be found in the top right of your screen with the timestamp so you know exactly when the last save happened. Now, we want your listing photos to stand out, capture viewers, and really draw them into the property. So how do you do that exactly? Well, I've got some quick photography tips here that you can use to capture amazing listing photos in no time. Take photos in landscape mode. This will provide the viewer the ideal viewing on most websites, and the horizontal orientation makes it easier to capture the full room. If you have a small room, maybe a small bathroom, consider using a step stool to capture the room while still using landscape. Great real estate photos make the viewer feel like they're in the home, so chest height landscape photos give the most accurate perspective. Make sure you put your best photos first. Bright offers 150 photos, but interested buyers may not scroll through every single photo. Make sure interested buyers see the gorgeous master bath or the grand entryway first. Put the photos that best showcase your property at the very beginning. Capitalize on lighting. Shoot during midday if you can. Open doors inside the house, open the blinds, let as much natural light come in. If natural lighting is not an option, try turning on all of the interior lights, or even bringing a light source that's separate and setting it up out of the frame so that you can get some additional lighting. Watch for images that are blurry or distorted. If they don't look right in listing management when you upload them, try re-adding them as original size. Sometimes when we save our photos on our phones, we have to save them in a smaller version. And if we email ourselves, they're not the original size. So this can make our images too small or blurry when we're trying to upload them into the Bright system. Use technology like drones. If the property is large, think about using drone footage for your listing to capture the stunning aerial image of the home and the property. Consider a tripod. Tripods allow you to shoot at a slower shutter speed to take advantage of natural light while still keeping images sharp. And finally, if you're working with a professional photographer for your listing photos, make sure to grab their online gallery from your photography session. If your photographer uses Dropbox or Google Drive, for example, you can just drag and drop those brand new listing images right into listing management to make uploading a breeze. Pair these photography tips with detailed listings and you'll be attracting buyers in no time. Remember, if you found this video helpful, like and share it. We'd love for you to get the latest updates from our team, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded.